So guys, I'm discussing about that how we can uploading for bulk videos on the Facebook page with using for Creator Studio option. These are the benefits are one is called video upload will be we can upload for more than 10 also we can upload bulk upload option. Second option, the video will get views and earnings. So these all instruction we can follow and upload the video on the Facebook page and page engagement, increase the page followers and page likes. So these are the we can follow the particular things. We can follow instructions. Selecting my page. So in this page we can go for it. Go to create a studio option. In this create a post. Uploading for multiple videos. This is a single video. This is called one video uploading for multiple pages. This is the bulk uploading videos. Select this option. Any one page you have to select. First upload the videos. Bulk upload nothing, but you can upload by the 5 or 10 videos, anything. So right now I'm uploading for in these videos. So here I'm uploading right now 3 videos. No need to copy the title. Automatically title will be copied here. Here select a page. Little take time to upload these videos on your page. These 3 videos upload only for one page. That is a bulk upload videos. You have to wait for the when you're finishing 100%, you can start with the adding the title option. Now here I'm waiting for up to 100%. Just is finishing. The 3 option they're showing for save draft option. They're showing which one? Save as a draft option. After that one, we can selecting for premiere option or publishing or schedule post. Anything will be accepted. Now you have to wait for the some seconds. Done. Copy this one. Paste in a description. Don't go the mistakes. Some people will be one title copy for all videos. Don't do that kind of mistakes. So in this, I'm adding for hashtags. Where you can adding for description part that I have waiting for sometimes pasting the hashtags. They are nothing but trending purpose. They are nothing but trending purpose. Upload it. Don't forget the adding the thumbnail option. What are the future will be there? Add the all futures. Here, choose where your post appear, CC, everything. Selecting CC option, auto generate. Save. Next, here poll option will be there. Thumbnail. First of all, which thumbnail we are selecting here? We go to video title, copy this option, add image, select here, image was selected, save. Don't click for next option. Now this option, thumbnail, video title. Thumbnail most important, people watching for your video option. Save. And last one, title, thumbnail, here, save. In this, we have option will be there. Publish now, premiere, schedule, and backdate, save draft. Now this way I'm go to where publish option. 3 videos we can give the different formats. Premiere. Premiere will be selecting for time and particular time I'm selecting here. Minimum required for 10 minutes. Compulsory you have maintained for the 10 minutes required time. This will be, you can go for option will be on time publish will be there, or premium schedule for backdate. I can do the backdate post also. Today date will 6, I'm posting for 5th here. Now click for last option, save changes. Now these videos will be publishing for in the one page in the 3 videos, different timings. One is called on time publish, premiere option, and backdate post. I'm not using for schedule post option. Only one option I'll leave it, schedule post. The schedule post up to weekend schedule by 6 months of time. And backdate post will be when you're creating up to your page date, we can creating for backdate post. Now this video uploading for your Facebook page, it can be uploaded for 3 videos. We can upload for multiple videos also. Which option? Multiple videos. You can select first upload the video, selecting page, add your title, description, tags, and the thumbnail. Upload the video with a different format. Publish now, premiere, schedule post, and a backdate post. So this will be we can use to promote the videos in the particular page. That mean by purpose of page engagement, increase of followers, video views, and earning money from video. People will be watching the particular timings.